Well, hello. Welcome to my first ever empty apartment tour. It's not my first apartment, but it's just the first ever empty apartment tour. I'm not gonna rattle and riddle because we have to move stuff in. So when you first walk in, this is our lovely, interesting door. It's so interesting, right? Like, it comes with an intrusion alarm, which was a plus for us. Show the alarm. It comes with an intrusion alarm, which was a plus for us because, you know, they care about our safety. That's all that matters. So, soon as you leave out of this hallway, you got our pretty good thermostat. And when you come straight into this area, this is our dining area. It is so big, actually. Honestly, I don't think we're going to use it as a dining space. We're going to use it for like a bar area, you know, wine o'clock, bar cart area, you know, hang out, vibe out, drink, you know, drink a little something. That's what we're going to use it for. So yeah, nice and big. Soon as you come this way, you run into the kitchen, y'all. This kitchen was definitely the plus. Like, I think this is what definitely just drew us here. This is what's making us spend the money. This kitchen is so updated, so modern. Like, and then gray, yellow, gray is the new white. So gray is just perfect. The island is huge. You don't need the dining area. The island is very, very huge. I like that it comes with all stainless steel appliances. It actually has a double oven, y'all. It's 2 ovens. What the hell? You can do things at 2 times at 2 different temperatures. What? Who does that? Oh my God. Anyways, came in the microwave, didn't have to buy it. That was a plus. Love a double sink always. If it was one big one, it didn't bother me either though. But this is so pretty. A bunch of storage, like so much storage. Like, it's just so much storage, y'all. Dishwasher, stainless steel dishwasher. Y'all know them apartments be trying to make you pay so much for outdated things. Refrigerator. The refrigerator. Yes. And it's gonna be so organized, y'all watch. So, soon as you leave out of the kitchen, you run into the living room, which is also a plus because it's very huge. This living room is big enough to fit a sectional, which we will do. We will have a sectional. So you have this whole wall, that whole wall, lovely TVs. I love the 3-panel window because I love natural lighting. So it brings in a lot of natural light. So this whole open concept is just amazing. So when you leave out of here, you go into Candace's room. This is Candace's room. She gets the master bedroom. She gets the master bedroom only because I gave up my throne. So the last apartment, I had the master, so she gets the master this time. I feel like the rooms are fairly big enough for, you know, she doesn't have many things. Like, I'm a hoarder, but she doesn't have like a bunch of stuff. So this is a nice, you know, size room for Candace. And my room is slightly smaller, so you can imagine that. Then when you come in this, girl, this is her bathroom. This is, I am jealous of this. So she has the garden tub. It doesn't have a shower head in it, if you notice, because she has a standalone shower. That's what I'm jealous of. Now that I'm thinking about it, my bathroom doesn't have a shower head. I would think it would. So this is the standalone shower. Amazing. Absolutely love. Hey. The cabinetry, marble, granite countertops, and then of course the toilet. I do wish this had a door so that her poop don't stink up the whole But it's nice, like that.
That was
okay.
That was a hot piece.
So this is her closet. She has 2 big shelving over here. I don't know who's gonna reach up here, but she got 1 big shelving there, and these little shelvings right here. I know she did wish her closet had more shelvings, but she can always put some in herself. So, and all of our electrical boxes here in the Cox router. So, leaving out of Candace's room. So when you come straight down this way, there's a storage closet. It's literally just a storage closet. Most people call it a Christmas tree closet because your Christmas stuff being here. We realized that it didn't have a pantry, so I don't think we'll use that as pantry. There's literally enough kitchen storage, but this most likely will be a Christmas tree closet. We debated on putting an extra shelf, we know. But it's just amazing storage closet. And then coming this way, you have the full-size washer and dryers. I love that this one is a front loader because they're always, I mean, front loaders are technically smaller, but I mean, it's just easy. And it's 2 shelving. I don't know who can reach up there, but you know, 2 shelving. Soon as you leave from the, I'm sorry. We was hoping they had a shower thing up here. Soon as you leave from there, you come into my bathroom. Okay, this is also gonna be the guest bathroom, so it's gonna be decored out and clean all the time. But the plus was that this bathroom came with a garden tub also. Most of the other bathrooms, if you have a 2-bedroom, don't come with the garden tub. It's just a regular basic tub. Of course, I have the shower head. Same type of countertop as Candace, of course. Still a bunch of storage, and these are deep drawers. I mean, these drawers are very deep. A bunch of storage. Also, I have the storage above my toilet as well, how she did. Still love these cabinetries as cabinetry color also because it's like a gray brownish wood. So yeah, this is really nice to see. Oh, and that's the vanity with the lighting. All right, turn all these lights off. And then for the last and final room is my room. So first we can start off with my closet. So this is my closet. It's very big. As you can see, I do have a little more shelving than Candace. But honestly, I don't think I do. It's just all grouped together at one side. So this is my wonderful, lovely closet. And then when you come into my room, I never realized how small this room was. Like by coming in and out. So I'm gonna have to really do some like adjusting to get all my stuff. I have a bed, a dresser, and a vanity. So, and a mirror. And I want decor, but decor can go on the wall, you know. You don't gotta do too much as far as furniture goes. Bed gonna go all the way against this wall. Candace suggested that because imagine it being in the middle, you have absolutely no room. So the bed gonna go all the way against this wall. Mirror gonna be in that corner. Vanity always by the window for me. And I just put my vanity together, see how long it is. The vanity is really long, so I'm hoping it fits well. And then dresser right here, TV on the wall. So double windows as well, a lot of natural light. People can literally see in here right now, but it's okay. So yeah, that is all for this room, for my room. We're just gonna have to adjust. You know, we've had smaller apartments than this, so it's gonna be okay. Well, that is all for the apartment tour. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It is an empty apartment tour. I am gonna do a furnished one. Once we have every single thing I want us to have, though, I'm not gonna skip anything. Like when the bar cart will probably be the very last thing we have because they have to build it. So Candace is building the bar cart. She definitely wanted me to make sure I say that. So the bar cart is the final thing. Once everything is here, I'll do a, you know, furnished tour, full furnished tour, and that can take months, maybe even a year. It really just depends, but it can take months. I know a lot of people take months, but the way I am, I spend money because I don't care. I spend money and get the shit that I want. So yes, I hope you guys enjoyed my empty apartment tour, and I'll see you later. Oh girl, bye.